Slow motion oil pour creates a calming visual and auditory experience that gently eases the mind into relaxation. As the golden oil flows steadily from the bottle, each drop stretches and glides with graceful precision, catching the light in soft reflections. The movement feels unhurried, inviting you to slow your breathing and settle into the present moment. A subtle, silky sound accompanies the pour, smooth and continuous, like a quiet whisper that soothes the senses. The oil forms delicate ripples as it lands, spreading evenly and creating a glossy surface that feels warm and comforting to watch. This slow, intentional motion encourages mindfulness, allowing tension to melt away with every second. Perfect for ASMR and relaxation content. The slow motion oil pour helps calm racing thoughts and creates a peaceful atmosphere ideal for rest, meditation, or sleep. Let your eyes follow the gentle stream. Let your mind unwind, and allow the steady rhythm of the pour to guide you into deep tranquility.